All right, so today is June 21st, July the 21st, and we're about to do a potato harvest. Now you can see, if you saw my other videos before, you can see that the plants are now starting to die back. You see them turning brown. So that's a good indication now that the potatoes are ready under the ground, hopefully. So what I did, I just peeled back a little bit right there, look. And there's potatoes sitting right there in the ground. I'm about to pull another one out. Just pulled the plant just a little bit. So remember, before, when I planted these potatoes on May the 9th, remember I took 5 small red potatoes and I cut it in 4. So I put like total 20 pieces down on the ground. So now we're gonna see what came off of those 5 potatoes that we put down. So y'all just stay tuned as I dig them up. Hold on a second. Okay, let me see that. I don't want to stick none either. So I got some right here. Let's see what's in this spot first. And then after the end, I'll just show y'all the results what we get. Look, let's see. There's one. There's a little one that came out. That spot. Something else down there. Some little ones. Let's see. What the other one rolled to? It rolled somewhere down there. Anyway, let's see. It's down like this ground. Because it's gonna be hard trying to dig all these things out. All right. So let me just stick this in here. At least I hope they done. But it should be. Because I know I put them deep. It's going to take a minute. Let's see this right here. Oh, wow. Look at those potatoes. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled it out. Look. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. Look at this. Right on top of the hunt. Oh, look at the one right there. Anyway, so I almost got the mount that I started with already. And I still gotta go all the way back there. So we'll see what this gonna look like. Oh man, I hurt one. Some of these little ones, man. You know what? Look at this keep them. Like these clumps are. Oh, there's an onion.
Around. Baby potato.
Mm-hmm. See, most of the ones that I get sent, they were sitting right by the root, right at the top, didn't it? I know I gotta dig in this mound right here, right in front of me. Yep, there's a plant right here, so there's something right here. That's what I started with. It's kind of hard down here too.
It's
All
hard
right.
to grow.
Huh?
Hard to grow.
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Well, just because of this ground. See how hard it is? Well, it's going super hard. There's something right there sticking out. Another one. next time I'm gonna use that real soft soil. I'm gonna try to in the containers. So I gotta go way back there. So anyway, what we'll do, we'll show you what we get at the end when I get done poking this stuff up. There's one right there, sitting on the side of the wall. And you know you're gonna miss some. Another potato. See when that changes it. Ooh, look at that bug on my way. I'm gonna let these little ones go right back in the ground and grow. I could have probably waited another month, a few more days to get them, but you see all the plants are dying back now. Maybe because they didn't get no sun. I don't know. Saw something else?
Right there.
Oh, you can smell this thing rotten. Like these little ones kind of like stay in the ground. This potato right here. Those sitting on the side of the wall over there. See, the thing about when you do this, look at that root. I'm gonna cover that root up. So I got another bright idea, experiment. So I just pulled these potatoes up. We got a nice little potato harvest out of that. Yay, okay. But look, at the end of the potatoes, I see this. So my plan is, this is an experiment now. I'm gonna take this, I dug 2 rows again. I'm gonna plant these in the rows, because they still got roots on them. And I'm just gonna drop them in the ground down here and bury them. Just like that. And I'm gonna spread them apart. Here's another one. And I'm gonna drop it right here. Drop it down here and spread it. So I'll let y'all see what it looks like when I get done, and then I'll go ahead and cover them up again. All right, so stay tuned. So what I did, I just laid them in there, just like so. And now all I'm gonna do, take the dirt and just cover everything up. Cover it back up again. And maybe I can get another harvest before the winter sets in the fall maybe, if these things come back up. So that's a good little test right here, and I'm willing to take it. I'm gonna just bury them back. Put this dirt right back over top of them. And bury them back down again. See if I can get a harvest number 2 out. This might be cool, man. I get two. It might not work. But they say nothing ventured and nothing gained. There's only one way to find out. So, all these roots, just drop them back in the ground, and hopefully something will come up. Maybe I'll get a plant come up. All right, y'all. I'm always experimenting. But that was an experiment with those potatoes, and I got a nice pile. All right. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.